Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Miss Binary Trading. I'm really happy to see you here again. Thank you so much to everyone who watches my videos, leaves a like, subscribes to the channel, and writes comments. You have no idea how many ideas for new videos come directly from your messages. Almost every day someone asks me, can you show us how you trade, show us your settings, or how does auto trading actually work? So today's video is exactly about that. If you're new here, let me tell you a little bit about myself. Trading is a huge part of my life. I'm definitely not someone who opens a chart once a week just for fun. I genuinely enjoy analyzing the market, testing different tools, and finding ways to make trading more disciplined and less emotional. For me, trading isn't gambling. It's all about having a system, following statistics, and constantly improving. That's exactly why you often see me using vfxAlert signals on this channel. I've been using them for a long time, testing them regularly, and using them as an additional confirmation in my trading. I trade on my favorite broker, Pocket Option. As always, you'll find all the links in the description below this video. And by the way, if you register using my promo code, you'll get a great discount on your vfxAlert subscription, so make sure to check the description. Today's video won't be full of complicated theory. Instead, I'll simply show you a regular trading session. You'll see how I set up auto trading, which settings I use, how I launch the system, and what kind of results I get in real trading. Personally, I think that's much more interesting than just looking at charts with arrows drawn all over them. We all want to see how things actually work in real market conditions. So today, I'm not hiding anything. I'll show you everything exactly as it is. Let's start by opening the vfxAlert application. Here you'll find the auto trading settings. I'll show you the exact configuration I personally use. Of course, every trader has their own preferences, so these settings aren't meant to be a recommendation. They're simply an example of how I trade. Let's check the selected asset, the trade amount, the entry parameters, confirm everything, and launch auto trading. That's it. Now all that's left is to watch the system open trades automatically. Honestly, it's still a little exciting every time I watch it in action. Even though I've been using auto trading for a long time, it's always interesting to see how the market behaves on a particular day. Every trading session is different, so you never really know what the final statistics will look like. While the system is running, I can simply watch the chart without having to manually open every single trade. That's one of the reasons I really enjoy this style of trading. So the first trade closes in profit. Great, let's wait for the next one. The second trade is also a winner. Let's keep watching. The third trade closes in profit as well. So far, the statistics look pretty good. Now for the next trade, and this one ends in a loss. That happens too, and it's completely normal. No system, no indicator, and no signal can deliver perfect results every single time. That's why I always say it's important to stay calm and keep your emotions under control. One losing trade doesn't define your overall performance. What really matters is the long-term statistics, not the outcome of a single position. So that's how today's trading session turned out. Now let's open the trading history. Here you can see every position that was opened, review the result of each trade, and evaluate the overall performance of this trading session. Personally, I think these are the most valuable types of videos because nothing is staged. You're watching real trades, real results, and you can draw your own conclusions. If you'd like, I can test different auto trading settings in future videos, compare different trading modes, or even compare manual trading with auto trading. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. I always read your suggestions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Miss Binary Trading. And one more reminder, You'll find all the links to vfxAlert Pocket option and my promo code in the description below this video. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you disciplined trading, steady progress, and a great day. See you in the next video. Bye!